Emperor of Mankind created the Space Marine legions to reunite the scattered worlds of humanity during the Great Crusade, each legion bred for war, each destined to be led by a Primarch. The 12th Legion began as the Warhounds, fierce, relentless assault troops who broke enemy lines with shock and speed. They earned a reputation for savage but disciplined warfare, leaving shattered foes in their wake. When they finally reunited with their Primarch Angron, everything changed. Found enslaved on the gladiator world of Nuceria, Angron bore the butcher's nails, brutal implants that drove him into a constant rage. He demanded his legion receive the same gift, and they obeyed. The Warhounds were no more. They became the World Eaters, warriors who lived only for slaughter. They fought for the Imperium until the War Master rebelled. Angron eagerly joined him, seeing the heresy as a chance to unleash unrestrained carnage. At Isstvan 3 and 5, they butchered friends and foe alike. During the Shadow Crusade, Angron ascended into demonhood after the destruction of Nuceria itself. At the Siege of Terra, the World Eaters were unleashed upon the walls of the Imperial Palace, hurling themselves into some of the most brutal close quarters fighting of the war. Angron, now a full-fledged demon prince of Khorne, torn through the defenders like living apocalypse, his legion leaving mountains of corpses in their wake. Among their number fought Karn, the captain of the 8th Company, famed for his deadly precision even amid the madness. A warrior so feared that even other traitor legions gave him space. After the heresy, Karn would gain infamy as Karn the Betrayer after the Battle of Scalatrax, where in a rage he turned his own brothers, shattering the World Eaters into scattered war bands as they remain to this day. The Legion now roams the galaxy in the name of Khorne, killing for the joy of it, forever roaring, blood for the Blood God, skulls for the Skull Throne.